This is the terminal spot welder. When we start, we turn on the unit. We turn on the coolant pump, very important. It goes through a setup routine. We have a spiral here with 19 nichrome wire. We would set the unit to 19, arrow down till you get to program 19. Once you have that set, you are ready to weld. You can check your power settings by scrolling through to your weld time and your current. 19 is 30 pulses, weld time is 6 seconds. We would line our tail pin to the left hand side. The 3mm tip we would put on the edge of our 3mm at the end of the spiral. We bring our tip down and hold the pedal down till the click. As it is a 19 nichrome wire, we turn it 180 degrees and a second weld, and we would repeat the process on the other end. And we put the spiral in, weld, rotate 180 degrees and a second weld, and there is our finished spot welded spiral. As you can see, the colour is quite good. There is no distortion. The spiral has not got any out of round or is not deformed, and that should be a very good weld. Thank you.